Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the most critical stages in poultry production, that is brooding. If you get this stage right, your chicks will grow strong, healthy and productive. But if you get it wrong, you will face losses, slow growth and frustrations. So in this video, I'm sharing essential tips for mortality-free brooding. Practical steps you can apply right away to raise healthy chicks from day one. Stick around till the end of this video because I will share some bonus secrets most farmers overlook. Let's dive in. We will talk about preparation before chicks arrive. The first step to mortality-free brooding starts before the chicks even arrive, meaning preparation is key. A. Clean and disinfect the brooder. Wash the brooder house thoroughly, disinfect walls, floors, feeders and drinkers. Diseases like Newcastle or coccidiosis thrive in dirty environments, so hygiene is non-negotiable. B. Preheat the brooder. Start heating the brooder house at least 24 hours before chicks arrive. The temperature should be around 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. On D. Litter. Use dry clean litter material like wood shavings and spread it evenly about 2 to 3 inches thick. Avoid wet material, it causes respiratory problems. E. Feeders and drinkers ready. Place enough feeders and drinkers before the chicks come. On the first 24 hours, are the most important in a chick's life. Here is what you need to do. 1. Gentle handling. Don't throw chicks into the brooder. Place them gently near drinkers so they learn to drink right away. 2. Warm water with vitamins or glucose. Give warm water with glucose or chick booster. This helps them recover from stress during transport and gives instant energy. 3. Introduce feed after water. Let them drink first, then introduce quality starter feed. Always use a chick starter with at least 20 to 22% protein. 4. Observe behavior. Happy chicks spread evenly around the brooder. If they are hardly under the heat, it's too cold. If they scatter far from the heat, it's too hot. Watch your chicks, they will tell you if the conditions are right. On brooding management. To keep mortality at zero, management must be top-notch. 1. Temperature management. Start at 32 to 34 degrees Celsius in week 1, then reduce by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius each week until you reach 24 degrees Celsius. Use a thermometer at chick height, but also observe chick behavior. 2. Ventilation. Ensure fresh air circulation without causing draft. Ammonia buildup can kill chicks, so keep the air fresh. 3. Lighting. Chicks need about 23 hours of light in the first week. After that, reduce gradually to 18 hours. Light ensures they eat and drink enough. 4. Clean water always available. Replace water twice a day. Never allow dirty or cold water. It spreads diseases. 5. Proper stocking density. Overcrowding is one of the biggest causes of mortality. Allow at least 1 square foot for every 10 chicks during brooding. More space equals to less stress. On healthy and biosecurity. Healthy is wealthy in poultry farming. 1. Vaccination schedule. Follow the recommended vaccination program in your area. 2. On biosecurity. Limit visitors to your poultry house. Always disinfect your shoes before entering. Keep white birds and pets away. 3. Early detection of illness. Check chicks daily. If you see weak or abnormal chicks, separate them immediately. Quick action saves flock. 4. Natural supplements. You can boost immunity with natural remedies. These reduce disease risk naturally. Now on bonus secrets. Here are the bonus secrets for mortality-free brooding. Teach chicks to drink by their beaks in water gently. Use newspapers or chick paper on the litter for the first 3 days. It prevents chicks from eating litter instead of feed. Keep litter dry always. Wet litter causes coccidiosis outbreak. Constant matters. Feeding, cleaning, giving them water should be done at the same time daily. Chicks love routine. Mortality-free brooding is not luck, it's management. Prepare well, give the chicks the right environment, maintain hygiene, and observe them daily. If you follow these tips, you can achieve over 95 to 98% chick survival, which means better profits and healthier flocks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical poultry farming tips. Let me know in the comments what's your biggest challenge during brooding. I would love to hear from you. Till next time, peace, love, and light.